the Igorots were being presented and displayed like animals in other country. But right now, in all parts of the country, the Cordilleran culture, the Igorot culture is being celebrated internationally. And I think that is something that we can be proud of. May kadwa, we are thankful for the sacrifices of our OFWs. You are not being called modern heroes for nothing. Amo tayo siguro, because of your sacrifices, I don't think kakadwami kakapsat ni Jay Benguet na nakapagpagpas thesis kami. Because of your sacrifices here, we have seen a better future for our dear province. Please, para yung OFWs tayo. Siguro may katlo kayo may bagak. Do not worry about Benguet. Do not worry about Benguet, our dear province. Why? Because when I was given the opportunity to work for different agencies of the government, nakita from entire Philippines, Manila, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, one of the golden standards when it comes to good governance is Benguet province. Kapag makita yung kunada nga dahil political dynasty Jay Benguet, kapag kunayo ka dati kunada nga violence when it comes to election ni Jay Benguet, amo yung kalit ni Benguet is one when it comes to education attainment in graduates. Apay amo yung entire Pilipinas, only 1 out of 10 nga IP or indigenous peoples nga kunada, may isa lang tiba graduate, but not in Benguet. We have the highest literacy in the entire country, including cities like Makati. And that is the result of our good governance. That is the result of our tradition and culture. Therefore, we are very much thankful because this kind of Benguet is not possible without the good governance of our past officials and present officials. Please give them good hands. Ito na pimanti, mangitak-takder, para di probinsya tayo, pagkikitaan itintero nga Pilipinas, that there is something good about cultures, there is something good about tradition that we can celebrate. Inararamit yung tatam, yung sasala ipapakita na this kind of dances has been there for almost hundreds of years. And we are thankful that after hundreds of years, ang dami lang nitang isasala tayo that only in Benguet and in other parts of the world. And we hope that the next generation na kami, KJ Kapsat me, will be doing the same after generations to come. Ako na yun ibaga, what I want to convey, my greatest gratitude, pasasalamat ko for allowing and partnering with us in Panao Sampayanan for medical missions that we have been conducting here in Hong Kong for the last few months. Thank you for your accommodation. It is our privilege. It is our honor. Mayat ay mas dapat ako amin.
And so thank you so much, Atty. Marlon Busanto, a former NCIP chair, the first nominee of Ipana.